Have you ever sent an email with an image without a link? No problem. Here is the solution. Currently I am on my new Outlook. So I just create a new email. Here is my email window. Now in the message body, I simply first insert an image. For that, I simply put my cursor where I need to insert the image and I go to the insert tab. Here is the option which is pictures. Click on it. Now that will take you to the system background from where you can upload the image. So here is my thumbnail. I have my previous video's thumbnail. So now I need to add the link of my video to that thumbnail. So what I need to do is to simply click on that image and again go to the message tab, and here is the link option. Simply click on it, or you can also use keyboard shortcut which is Control K. So I simply click here and here insert link. The image is here. Now to insert the link, I simply paste my link over here. I have already copied it previously and simply hit OK. Now the image, you will see when you hover your mouse, the image consists of link will be visible over here. Now you can simply fill up other information like to CC subject and simply hit send button. And whenever your recipient received this email, he can very easily click on the image and go to the URL directly. So if you have learned something new in this quick video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.